Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to create extra forms. Let's get started. So starting on the dashboard CMS, the first thing you'll do is you'll click the content icon. You'll hover over content and select extra forms. Once here, you'll click create. Now, when creating an extra form, you'll need a few things. The first thing is a name for your extra form. And then you'll need the type of field you'd like your visitors to fill out. So you'll name your field, and then you select the field type. Then add a placeholder, and whether this extra form is required or not. Here, you'll put where your submissions are sent to, and then you can fill out the rest, like the conversion tracking code. Click Save. And just like that, you've learned how to create an extra form. Thanks, everyone.